Here we have a 1958 Edsel Ranger two-door hardtop. This car came into us just the way you see it. And this car could be used as a driver, or you could restore it and bring it to the next level if you liked. You'll see as we go around it, it's got numerous, paint flaws and issues and things like that. A little bit of rust down on the rocker panel there that you'll see. But hey, it's a complete car. It runs and drives the way it's supposed to. And the previous owner just was kind of at the point where he decided it was someone else's turn to play with it and have some fun. So now it is here for sale at Unique Classic Cars here in Mankato, Minnesota. This car is powered by its 361 V8 and automatic transmission. Now these cars were kind of interesting how they shifted. It has a push button shifter in the middle of the steering wheel. I'll show you that in a minute. But as you can see, walking around the car, the car still has a good look and so on, but like I say, I'll show you some of the paint flaws and things here in a little bit. Now you can see all the still photos of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll take a look at the inside here. All right. Take a look. That door card's looking good. Original style interior. Does show its age in a few spots. Again, you can see all the still pictures on the website. Now here is the push button shifter that I was telling you about. If you're an Edsel fan, you already know all about this. If you're new to Edsel, it's kind of a neat thing, and you just simply push, put it in park, reverse, and so on. Kind of a neat deal. The speedometer is right up there. The odometer is reading 95,000 miles. I would assume that's actual miles, but I'll leave that up to the new owner to decide. You can see over here there's a slight crack in the window right there on the passenger side. Okay. I'll walk around and show you some of the places where the paint's showing its issues. There's some checking on the hood right here. And you can see some rub through and fade there. There's a spot on the fender. A little bit over the rear wheel well there. And then on the deck lid, you can see there's spots there that are showing its age. So again, it's a car you can definitely use the way it is if you like. Or if you want to bring it to the next level, you could do a little paint work or buffing, detailing, whatever you feel the need to do. So we'll get it fired up here.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Let's go take a peek. All right, so as I said, under the hood is a 361 V8. Edsel called it the E400, but if I'm not mistaken, the displacement is actually 361. Previous owner did state that the push-button mechanism in the steering wheel, by the way, had been rebuilt and gone through, so that is functioning the way it's supposed to. Alright, so again, you can see all the still photos of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered and financing is available as well.